context engineering is one of the most important skills in modern AI systems. It is the art and science of giving an AI model exactly the right information at exactly the right moment to get reliable results. As agents become more powerful, the challenge is no longer what the model can do. It's how effectively we shape the context it works with. In this section, we'll explore why context matters, how it impacts reasoning quality, and how strategic content design enables agents to plan, act, and improve with far greater accuracy. This is the foundation behind every high performing AI agent. Context engineering is an approach of carefully assembling the full informational environment of an AI model receives before it generates a single token. The core idea is simple but powerful. The quality of an AI's output depends far more on the context you supply than on the model itself. If the agent is given rich, structured, and complete information, it can perform at its highest potential. But even the most advanced model will underperform when the context is incomplete, noisy, or poorly constructed. The goal of context engineering is to make sure the AI has everything it needs, the right facts, the right constraints, and the right objectives, so it can solve the task effectively and reliably. So, we're contrasting two related but fundamentally different concepts here: prompt engineering and context engineering. Prompt engineering is all about crafting the perfect instruction. The focus is narrow: how you phrase a single query to get the best possible response from the model. It's about wording, structure, and clarity at the prompt level. While context engineering operates at a much higher level. Instead of optimizing just one instruction, it optimizes the entire informational environment the model receives. This includes system messages, relevant data, tool outputs, prior history, constraints, and any supporting details. The scope is far more broader because the goal isn't just to get a good answer from one query. It's to ensure the model consistently performs well across complex tasks by giving it exactly the right knowledge, structure, and reference. In essence, prompt engineering tunes the sentence while context engineering designs the world the AI reasons within. Now, let's bring everything together and understand what context engineering truly delivers. At its core, context engineering is about constructing a multi layered information environment that surrounds the AI before it even begins generating tokens. These layers work together to give the model clarity, grounding, and direction. So, we include four layers here. The first layer is the system prompt. This is the foundation. It sets the AI's role, personality, tone, and overall behavioral rules. It's a guiding compass that shapes how the AI thinks. The second layer or layer 2 is the retrieved documents. This includes factual data pulled from your knowledge bases, whether through RAG, vector search, or domain specific repositories. These documents provide the real world truth that grounds the AI's reasoning. The layer 3 is the tool outputs. These are the results generated by external systems, APIs, calculators, databases, search engines, or business tools. They allow the AI to operate with current and contextual information rather than relying solely on training data. And finally, or the fourth layer is the implicit data. This is silent but more powerful layer. We try to understand who the user is, the conversation task or history, their preference, and the current workflow state the agent is in. These aren't always explicitly stated, but they shape the AI's ability to act intelligently and consistently. Together, these layers form the complete informational ecosystem that enables an agent to perform at its best. This is why powerful AI systems don't rely on a single clever prompt. They rely on carefully engineered context. And that brings us to the end of this video. If there's one idea to take away from the video, it's this: the future of AI belongs to systems that are not just well prompted, but well contextualized. Context engineering is what unlocks reliability, depth, and true autonomy in modern AI agents. It is the foundation for every advanced pattern we use today, from prompt chaining to multi-agent collaboration. So, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.